Buddy, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV Center in Turlock, California. Everybody know me. I am Nile Marty from Best RV. Today I'm presenting to you the inside and the outside of the brand new Fuzion by Keystone RV 442 full body paint. I'm gonna explain to you for 1 second. This floor plan, I have it in 2 different versions. It comes with 2 bathrooms or 1 bathroom. So if somebody wants more footage in the cargo area, then he will take this unit, which has 1 big bathroom but more garage. And I have exact same unit in the sand color. I did a video on it. It has 2 bathrooms. So let's go outside about the Fuzion 442 from outside. Let's start. This unit is a full body paints. So all this black with the diamond in it, the gray, the silver, the whites, all paint. There's no whatsoever a piece of a decal on this unit. Has the Hilux curse with the shock and springs in the front to give you a smoother ride. If you look over here, it comes with 4 power awning, 3 on this side and 1 in the back, 3 ACs. This one has the 44i, which is mean 220 watt solar panel, total equal 440, and it has the 2000 watt inverter. Come with 4 TVs, 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the living room, 1 in the garage, and a 50-inch TV outside. It has the ABS brake, as well that has the new shocking mechanism on the axles, 6-point hydraulic leveling jack. It has 2-gallon air compressor on board, in case if you want to do, it's a 2-gallon, 0.3 horsepower. As well, it has electric, so the door in this one is electric, not a manual. This is the step to the patio system. 3 season doors with the power awning in the top, foldable ladder on the side, 2 fuel tank. So this has in the Carpent they come with 1 tank, but on the Fuzion they come 2 tank, 18-gallon on the for the generators, and another tank for whatever. You could put diesel in it if you want to. The power cord is on a power rail. This is one of the slide. I love the endless hot water heater. It has another big storage on the side. Everything is in docking station. We talk in different videos. This one has electric valve, not manual valve. Outside shower, hot and cold, sandy flush, city water connection, and again, everything comes through here. Cable, satellite right there. And then you have the big, huge, full storage underneath this unit with a nice LED light and the in-command system, and it has also a place for TV. If you want more TVs, but there's no need. There's already 1 outside. 2 7-gallon propane tank, 1 on each side. And that 6-point idle leveling by Lippert. This is show you all the controller for the solars and the inverters, as well the inverters. You can see the pictures. Over here is where's the batteries underneath for batteries and the auto leveling. And then you have the 5.5 power stroke generators. Yes, power flex generators, where you could run everything this. Now let's go inside. As we said, they did a lot of changes on this unit. Number 1, they changed the furniture. So if you look at the furnitures, it is like a nice racing high-end furnitures on the unit. The coloring of the wood, not a oak, not a walnut, in between, and so modern with the beige and the gray and the black. This unit, why I really liking it, because it's sectional fifth wheel. What do you mean by now sectional fifth wheel? Let me explain to you. This one has a section. This is like you walk in a house, you have a full living room, separate. So this is a separate living room. You have a section where the cameraman standing for kitchen and refrigerator. Then the 3rd section is the bathroom. Then the 4th section is the master bedroom. You need to realize 442 people, they loving it for 3 seating area. So you could have people, rather than the traditional toy hauler before, just one set of sofas. Now you have a 3 seating area. You have a hide-a-bed sofa facing the people sitting on the dinette, facing also the people on the 2 theater seating. Those 2 theater seating, where's my water? This is electric theater seating. Thomas Paine by Lippert. It's very super nice because all you have to do, push a switch. But again, I'm not plugged in 110 because these are 110 theater seating. This is a pure hide-a-bed sofa, so this is turned to a bed and sleep 2 people. And then you have across from it, you have the table and 2 chairs, but nobody noticing what I like this person. So I want to take this video with this window open, just to show you how bright and how big the nice view. Look how beautiful the view is. So it's like I'm sitting outside. I'm bringing the outside to inside. It's very roomy. You have 2 big panorama window behind the, and again they have the foil in the back. So look how bright it is. I mean, I have to close them because it's too bright. But I give you the idea just to give you panorama windows on this side of the slide out, and this open plus the other open. This one does not open. This is just panorama window to give you more view. But let me close it just because it's easier when I do the video with this is close. Then the dining table extend, as you notice. There's extensions, and then there's a latch. Just make sure you take the latch off. There's a latch here. Okay, now, so I could seat more people on it. Typical, beautiful dining. I like the glaze color on that walnut. Again, you snap it. There's 110 plug right there, so in case if you have a laptop, you want to access anything, there's 110. Entertainment center, speak for itself. 50-inch smart TV on a swing bracket. Sound bar. Now a lot of manufacturers, they go into the high-end sound bars with a modern fireplace. So we done this section. This is, I could do my dance. I could do my dance in this living area. Why? Because it's so roomy. We're not bumping against each other. Also, if me cooking for my wife, so sometimes I do that, look how big the sink. Nice country sink with a high-rise faucet, and you have a nice window in the kitchen you could look up through. Solid wood. It's not a paper. I mean, again, I'm not going to open all these cabinets, but they're nice kitchen cabinet with a crown molding in the top. And then you have convection microwave, so you have 2 oven. This is the 3.7 cubic foot freestanding gas range for RVs. You could hold a turkey, no question asked. This is electric convection microwave, as well electric microwave. 4 burner range. More storage. I love this one. You open it, woo, dust all the dirt. So it has the dust bust, and it has central vac over here. Now look how beautiful this solid surface countertop. This is a pure solid. Look how thick. Please, the cameraman, if he show you the thickness, this is not a plastic. This is a solid backsplash. It's like a Korean materials. As well, this perfect for serving foods, or you could make like a nice buffet. People, they could grab their food and go there, sit and either munch it with a drink and watch the game. Even me in the kitchen, I could watch the game. People in theater could watch the game, dine it. So everybody could see this big TV with no problem. We supported with a place for cameras, not cameras. Let me explain that to you. This unit comes with a 2 5-camera screen because it has, nobody believe me, it has 4 cameras. 1 in the back, 1 in the garage so you could see your toys, 1 on the driver's side, 1 on the passenger side, so you could have a beautiful screen while you're driving, watching your expensive toy, as well watching the surrounded area of unit. And by the way, it comes with it. A lot of places here. There's a big place for trash can. Matter of fact, 2 trash can. And let me show them this. So this is the outside sprayer. We talk about it in the docking station where you spray your hot and cold. It comes with the TST monitoring for your tires. Come with that screen, and come with the unit. Back to the kitchen, you could see all this 2 trash can, not just one. Plenty room for cleaning materials, cooking pan. Look how big that cabinet for silverware. Tinsel doors that are all latch solid. Tinsel doors, and all this is solid wood. Now, you tell me, lady, where's my pantry? Give me a second. Let me show you where's your pantry, because we have a big pantry over here for you. So this is, look how beautiful solid wood. A pantry, 5 shelves. Actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plenty. From a storage counter space, this is speak for itself. Then we have here nice 20 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerators. No issue, because I have 440 watt solar with a 2000 watt inverter. And then you have a beautiful ice maker and 2 door for the freezer. So this is the biggest fridge you could get on RVs, 20 cubic foot reefer by Fuzion. Now, let's go to the garage or go to the master bedroom, whatever you want. I could start with the master bedroom, and then we finish it in the garage. Let's go. So as you see, I have the nice king size bedroom with a big nice headboard in the back. 2 stations for CP machines. This is inverter outlet, so this plug I could run the inverter and I get 110 off the batteries. As well, here's you have a nice 110. So there's inverter outlet, there's 110 outlet, there's USB plugs, so no worries. 2 windows. This is with a nice reading light. 2 windows open, facing a 32-inch smart TV. And then this, ladies, I love this. I'm jealous. I don't have this. This is already set up for your duties, for your makeup. Perfect. So grab whatever you want to put it in your on you and enjoy camping or glamping. Not a camping, glamping. This is glamping. Beautiful doors for socks, underwears, and then this door is open. And by the way, they're gonna ask me a question. Does come with additional 2 doors? No, 2 chairs. Yes, it's right here. They're actually underneath the bed. You get beautiful 2 open chairs, so you could sit 4 people around the dining. Now, isn't it beautiful here? Come with a nice finish closets. I really like the closet for 2 reasons. First, I could use a combo and I still hang in clothes. Or if I use this, if I remove it, then I put a stackable washer and dryer, and then I don't lose the shelf. If you don't want to use, you don't want to put no washer dryers, voila, clothes, hang clothes, you name it. A lot of storage. Over here's the closet with the nice LED light and support with the mirror. Let's go to the bathroom. Now this unit, the 442, has 2 bathrooms. 1 bathroom, the major bathroom here, the big with a shower, and this is 1 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I love this. Sit, take a showers, and go do your business. Nice Keystone mirror with LED light, beautiful coloring of the gray with the silver and the white, and I love this. Do you see this, guys? Dovetail doors. I mean, you don't have to yell and screaming for the kids or the wife, where's my towels? Put all these towels here. It's perfect for you when you go to shower. Grab it, use it, and have fun. Nice porcelain toilet with a pocket door, and there's doors. Ooh, nice lotions, facial moisturized lotions. Wow. And more storage, more storage. Now, let's go down to the garage. The 2 unit, the one we have stock, the one with the 1.5 bath or 1 bath, it's exactly identical. There's pure identical. There's nothing different. The different, just one is sand, has a second bathroom in the garage, and this one is a black and gray, only one bathroom in the front. And this one has no bathroom whatsoever in the garage. Now, the advantage for you, why I stock it for this, because I got customers want to get more garage space. You have a 4-seaters, or maybe he have a custom 4-seaters, and he don't want to have nothing to meet his to be inferior with his garage. So that's the reason the people, they're looking for more storage, more cargo, and the cameraman, he will tell us exactly what's the cargo size of this one, because this is a big cargo. It's a 14-foot. Now, when I put the bathroom here, I'm gonna cut it down to 13 and some change. So the advantage for you, you have full, complete 14-foot from that 3-season door all the way to here, and you have a distance. The rest is exactly same, you know, the loft, the TV, the AC in the garage, the electric bed, the sofa turned to bed, the tie downs, all of it is exact same.